2-Minute Tuesday, Episode 2. Chad de Blasio coming at you, talking about tech this week. Wanted to touch base again on the iPhone text replacement and just give you a couple pointers of how to use that. Number one thing that I use text replacement for is my email. My email is chad@deblasiophoto.com. It gets really repetitive typing that out, so I made a text replacement that's CDPC. And anytime I type those four letters, boom, chad@deblasiophoto.com pops into whatever box I'm typing it into. I use it for my phone. I use it for texting to people. I use it to fill out forms online. You have Google autofill or form fill. It's kind of like that, except you get to say the things that you want to fill the form out with. So that's probably my number one. My number two is my address, both for my home and my business. Then I have other things. It's like people want to know how to do certain things. Over and over and over again. What's the best way to whatever? In my personal phone, I was just looking up the other day, I have 6, 8, 10, 12, like over 20. One of the other ones that I use that was just like, oh, I hate typing these out. Instagram hashtags. Do you ever use Instagram hashtags? You can see on my phone there, I have 4 different ones that are set for, oh, hey, blurry. They're set for all the different hashtags that I use. If I do a wedding photo, I put wed tag. If I do a regular tag, I do IG tag. And it types out all 30 or whatever those, 21, 25, I think is 30 is the max. Phone number, peanut butter was a password for like a weird random gallery I had, so I just PNB was peanut butter. An office address, I use my different websites. deblasiophoto.com is DPC on my phone, and it types out deblasiophoto.com. So just some tips and tricks for how to use that. Hopefully you come up with your own. I'd love to hear how this saved you time or money or effort. Hit me in the DMs. Is that what you say on YouTube? I don't know. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know that's fun for you or what you'd like to see, or working on video and sound quality in the next couple weeks, and hopefully this becomes a fun thing. 2-Minute Tuesday. Peace out.